Good morning, students. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics class. I hope you are safe at your home. In our regular class, we have already started lesson 4 geometry introduction. We have learned about circle, parts of circles, the diameter, radius, center, chord, secant, theorem 6, theorem 7, then converse of theorem 7. So today we are going to start our example question. Let's see that. See this example 4.5. Find the length of the chord which is at a distance of 2 root 11 centimeter from the center of the circle of radius 12 centimeter. So in this question we have to find out the length of the chord. Okay. So this is our question. We have to find out the length of the chord which is at the distance of 2 root 11 centimeter from the center of a circle. So it is a circle. You know that this is the center of the circle. I marked it, named as O. So this is the chord, AB as a chord. We have to find out the length of this AB. AB, if we find the AB value, that is known as chord, length of the chord. Okay. So what is given in the first sentence? So this distance. So length of the chord we have to find out. Distance of, so a chord which is at a distance of 2 root 11 centimeter from the center of a circle. So from the center to the chord, the distance is 2 root 11 centimeter. So we mark that from the center to the chord. The distance is 2 root 11 centimeter. Then the radius is 12 centimeter. So radius I mark that this one because from the center any point on the circle. So here A as any point on the circle. So this is known as radius. I mark this as 12 centimeter. So what is given? First we can write it. Let AB be the chord and the C is the midpoint of the chord. Okay. C be the midpoint of this AB. Okay. Next, what is known? See this. This OC is perpendicular to this chord. So you can write that OC is perpendicular to AB. The chord AB. Okay. Then what is given in the question? We can write now. Given radius equal to, so what is radius here? We took that OA. So radius OA equal to 12 centimeter. Then also another value is known. That is OC is 2 root 11 centimeter. Okay. So now we have to find out that AB value. Before that, if we draw a perpendicular line, here we formed a right angle triangle. So what we are going to do is, so in this right angle triangle, two sides values are known. So we have to find out another side value. So using this value, we can find out the next side because it is a perpendicular line. It will divide the chord into two equal parts. So this is theorem 7. So it's a perpendicular line. It divides the chord into two equal parts. If one value is known, it is easy to find out the next value because both are same. So when we add the both, we will get the answer. You can do one by one. Now first we can consider the triangle. It is a right angle triangle. You know, it's a perpendicular line because. So right triangle OCA. We can use the Pythagoras theorem. If it is a right triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem. So using Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem? You know, hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse means opposite side of the right angle. So it is right angle opposite side, hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square. So I can write as AO square equal to, because it will be the greatest side, lengthy side of the right angle triangle. Opposite side of the right angle is the lengthy side. So this square is equal to the square of the sum of remaining two sides. So remaining two sides means OA is one side, so OA square plus another side is AC. So AC square. Okay, this is the Pythagoras theorem. So opposite side of the right angle is hypotenuse. This is the lengthy side. So lengthy side square is equal to sum of the square of remaining two sides. Now we can apply the values. OA value is 12. So 12 square equal to OC value is 2 root 11 the whole square plus AC value is unknown value we have to find out. So let it be AC square. Now apply the values of this 12 square value is 144, that is equal to, so this value is 2 square value is 4, then root, square root and square get cancelled, remaining you will get only 11 plus AC square. So now 144 equal to 44 plus AC square. We have to find out this AC value. So keep AC aside, then remaining value we can bring another side. So 144 minus 44 equal to AC square. So now it is 100 equal to AC square. That means AC value is equal to root of 100. So you know that root 100 value is 10. So AC equal to 10 centimeter we have found. See this. This is the AC value. This value is 10 centimeter. Okay, already I told that it's a perpendicular line. This perpendicular line will bisect the chord. The bisect means this side will divide the line into two equal length. So if it is 10 centimeter, this side also 10 centimeter. So we can write this length AB equal to 2 times the value 10. 2 times AC. AC value is known, 2 times AC we can write. That is just you can write 10 plus 10 equal to 20. Then that is equal to 2 into 10 equal to 20 centimeter. So the question is find the length of the chord. Length of the chord means AB value. So the length of the chord AB equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, this is our answer. See the next example. Example 4.6. In the concentric circles, chord AB of the outer circle cuts the inner circle at C and D as shown in the diagram. Prove that AB minus AC equal to 2 times AC. So what is given? In a concentric circle. So you know the meaning of concentric circle. Concentric circle means two circles have the same center. So see this figure, one circle, then inner circle, it is outer circle, both have the same center, that is O. Okay, so that is given that it is concentric circle. Chord AB of the outer triangle. So chord means, you know, this is the chord of the outer triangle. AB is the chord of the outer triangle. So this AB cuts the inner circle at C and D. So it is cutting the inner circle. Yeah, I know that it is a chord. It is cutting the inner circle where it is cutting A and D. It is given in the question. Okay. We have to prove that this AB value is this AB value minus AD value. Sorry. AD value. Okay. So AB value minus this CD value. CD value is 2 times AC. We have to prove that. So before that I written everything here. See, given thing I written. Given what is given in the question. Chord AB of outer triangle cut the inner triangle at C and D. That is given in the question. That particular sentence I written. Then we have to prove that. That also given in the question. I written that to prove AB minus CD is equal to 2AC. Next, construction. What is given this? Draw OM perpendicular to AB. So OM is perpendicular to AB. So if you are drawing it is perpendicular to AB. So the meaning is it will bisect perpendicular to a chord. So it's bisect. So AM value is equal to MB value. Also if you take the small chord, here also CM value is equal to MD value. Let's see now. See this. Proof we can do. Since OM is perpendicular to AB, See this in this question. This OM is perpendicular to AB. So perpendicular to AB means it will bisect the chord. Bisect means these two sides will be same. This length AM length equal to MB length. It is in the theorem 7. So we can write that AM is equal to MB. Also we can say that this OM is perpendicular to the small chord of the inner circle, that is CD. OM is perpendicular to CD. So OM perpendicular to CD. Also OM is perpendicular to CD. So what can you say? Same. It will bisect the small chord also. So CM value is equal to MD value. So CM is equal to MD. Take it equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Okay. We have to prove this. AB minus CD equal to 2AC. For that, I can take the left hand side now. Consider AB minus CD equal to. Okay. We can apply the values using that midpoint. See AB value. See this AB value, how to write, listen carefully. So this AB value I can write as AM plus MB. Okay, using the midpoint I am writing. So AB value I can write as AM plus MB. So AM plus MB, then this minus. Next CD value, how to write? See CD, this length, again using the midpoint I am writing. So CM plus MD. Okay. CM plus MD. So that is equal to AM plus MB minus, multiply this minus inside, minus CM minus MD. Okay. So using 1 and 2, use this 1 and 2, AM is equal to MB. Also CM is equal to MD. So in this place of AM, we can apply the value MB. Otherwise in this place of MB, we can apply the value AM. So I am going to apply this MB. I am going to change this value of MB because both are equal. AM value let it be plus, then MB value, MB is equal to AM. So I am putting this AM here. Then minus the CM let it be. So in this place of MD, I can write MD is equal to CM. So minus CM. Okay. So we can write this as 2 times AM, the same sign. So minus 2 times CM. So 2 is common, take it out. So 2 into AM minus CM. Now see the figure. AM minus CM. Okay. So AM minus CM. What is the value? From AM, this is the length of AM. We are subtracting, we are removing the CM value. So remaining there will be AC. Are you clear? From AM I am removing CM. So remaining value is AC. So I can put that is equal to 2 times AC. So hence we proved, that is AB minus CD value is 2 times AC. This we have to prove, hence we proved. Okay. So today we have learned only 2 examples, example 4.5 and 4.6. The notes we will send through WhatsApp. Then again we can meet in the Zoom class. Thank you.